if you feel anxiety in the chest when you do exercises, do I do them quicker than I'm realizing them? There are at least two very interesting aspects. That do I do them quicker than I'm realizing it? We are really in different kind of consciousnesses. Yeah. If I'm a fan of Alex Honnold, the free climber, 1,000 meters free solo, and he says I'm doing things so slowly. So slowly. And when you look at him, how he climbs the mountains, it's just juk juk mountains, the walls, it's just juk 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 juk. And he says it's slowly. There are different types of consciousnesses, yes. And being slow can feel very quick, and the other way around, it can always be the other way around too. When anxiety comes about, I think it means that you touch something of you. We are one being, and if we enter these spaces, these are the spaces in which our soul lives. If we open in etheric space, there's something in it. We do not contain from empty spaces or just boxes which we can open and oh, it's empty. If we open a space, there's something in it. And maybe there's anxiety, but maybe behind the anxiety, if you open it, there's again something very beautiful. But I would not put a not judge it. I don't know how strong it was, but you touched yourself, and that's something very beautiful. And if this anxiety is too strong, maybe it's it's because you touch an anxiety of you because it's something of your soul. But it can also be that you discover, oh, that's a whole world. If I open this even more, what's going to happen then? You don't realize this, but your soul, oh, she's opening up, she's opening a space, and then it's just a perception of what you're actually doing. Such a big thing. So there are many ways of looking in it, but feeling things like this, in a first thing, it's positive. Yeah? Touching something very important of yourself. A perception.